happened? I really don't think Duncan should be in this many pieces.
He shouldn't.
How did he get this way?
I'm just trying to fix him.
I get that, but how did he get broken?
That's the point, isn't it? I have no idea how he got broken.
So you found him like this?
What do you mean?
You came in here, found Duncan lying in pieces, and now you're trying to fix him?
Oh no, I took him apart.
Why?
I told you, I'm trying to fix him. He is really buggered.
Being in pieces will do that to you.
No, even before. If he wasn't broken, I wouldn't have to find the problem and try and fix it. Can you pass me that foot? The bad bit has to be here somewhere. I thought it might be here. Or here, but they both seem okay. Then I thought, I know where the problem is. Here. But nope, normal.
Sally, you pulled Duncan apart to find out why he was broken.
I don't think I really thought it through well enough. It may have been a bit of a mistake.
You reckon?
Will you help?
Do what?
Fix him.
I think he's a bit beyond that.
What do you mean?
I think you fucked him.
I told you, we haven't done that yet. Don't get me wrong, I want to. There's just something that's not happening.
No, I mean he's dead. Very and irrevocably dead. You're not going to be able to fix him.
Don't say that, I love him. I just want him to stop being such a dick. If I find out what the broken part is and fix it, then he'll be better and everything will be perfect. I thought it would be obvious, easy to fix, but...
We have to consider that your idea was a bit shit. So, how was he broken?
1 minute he's attentive, caring, interested and present. Then, for apparently no reason, he becomes distant and acts like he hates me. Then he's back to all sweet and romantic before he grabs my heart, rips it out of my chest and tangos on it. Next he's asking me out for coffee as if he hasn't just been a complete arse. What is with that?
Classic male.
They're all like this?
God, yes. To varying degrees.
Well, what's the point?
Maybe it's us who are broken?
I was never once an ass to him, not once. I went out of my way to be freaking charming.
For example?
He suggested I organise a party for Australia Day, so I did. I only invited the friends I thought he could handle, but he didn't show. Not a phone call, not a text message, not even an update on Facebook. Rude prick.
Yeah, I remember that.
I know, right? He confided in me. He told me secrets. You don't do that with people you don't like. At least I don't.
That's true.
And worst of all, he was never aware that I might have feelings.
Tell me something.
Yes?
Why are you trying to put him back together?
Reminds me of my heart.
Your heart wasn't like that before you decided to play with it.
Selfish bastard.
Selfish bastard.